Volkswagen Commercial Vehicles consciously chose the suffix 6.1 for this far-reaching update of the 6th transporter generation. That's because the technical changes made go way beyond any normal model update. An example of this is seen in the switch from hydraulic to electromechanical power steering, a system replacement so complex that it normally happens within a product line only when moving completely to the next generation. As a result of the electromechanical steering, a fully new spectrum of driver assistance systems and thus a significant increase in safety and ease of use are introduced to the product line. The new assistance systems include technologies such as lane assist,